Welcome to the second video in the What is Pandas notebook. And in this video, we're going to discuss which Pandas version to use. So we're just about to import Pandas and use it for the first time, but we need to make sure that we have at least Pandas version 1.0 and preferably just the latest version. So the reason for 1.0 is that the previous version, 0.25, there were some major changes between those versions that you just must have in order to complete the course. All right, so let's see how we can find which version of Pandas we have. So we do that by importing it. We will always alias it as PD by convention. And then to find the version, we do PD dot double underscore version double underscore. And this will return a string of the version number. So there's three components to a version number: the major, minor, and micro components. So this is version 1.3.4, major version 1, minor version 3, and then micro version 4. We usually don't say the micro version. These are just for small like bug fixes, so this won't affect things very much. The minor version is actually important because there are new things added to the library and sometimes things removed. And then for major changes that it will actually break code is when the major version will change. So we're now on major version 1 and minor version 3. Now, if you don't, to upgrade, what you'll need to do is go to your command line. And so do not do this in a Jupyter notebook, but I'm just going to show you what you write. If you're running conda, then you simply will execute conda update pandas like that, and this will get you up to the current latest version. If you are not using conda, which is fine, you can do pip install -U pandas like this. This will just stands for upgrade, and it will update to the latest version as well. Okay, so that should help you get started and find out and figure out which version of Pandas you can run.